Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the National Maths Day celebrations of Grade 3 held at St. Colombo Public School. And we are taking you online to all the glimpses of the performances that were held in the function and the artwork that the children did during the class. So you can see the excellent work that they have done and how beautifully they are dressed up as different mathematicians. Hope you like this. Enjoy the video.
Good afternoon, respected teachers and my dear students. My name is Jasmine. I would like to say thanks to all of you for joining together on this amazing day, which is being celebrated in India from last one decade as National Mathematics Day. The man behind is none other than great Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan, who made his several contributions to the theory of numbers. Math is all about becoming a creative thinker, not a calculator. Start loving maths, as it will give you a hope to find a solution of every problem. So let's start with our poem recitation by Nivedita Singla, 3rd C.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Nivedita Singla. Today I am going to recite a poem on Maths Day. Maths is not only for solving numbers, it's also for dividing the sorrow, subtracting sadness, adding happiness, and multiplying love and forgiveness. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nivedita. That was a lovely poem. Priyan means intelligent and clever. With deep knowledge, let's welcome our next performer, Priyan from class 3rd C, as Ramanujan himself.
Good morning, teacher and my dear friends. Today I am speaking some lines on Srinivas Ramanujan. Mathematician Srinivas Ramanujan had a great passion for maths from the age of 12. He had born on 22 December 1887 Madras during the British government. He was not interested in traditional education. He had also worked with the Indian Mathematical Society.
Thank you very much, Priyan. Okay, while Hazel is a tree name, which is multi-purpose, just like our multi-talented mathematician Shakuntala Devi. Let's welcome our next performer, Hazel from class 3rd C as Shakuntala Devi. Here you go.
Hello everyone, my name is Hazel Alwani. Today I will be going to present few lines on Shakuntala Devi. She was an Indian mathematician, writer and mental calculator, popularly known as human computer.
Wonderful. I think Jyotsna ma'am would agree with me completely that everybody is in character and they have got the correct clothes, they have the correct attire. So I think I would like to say thank you, and it's just so amazing to see that everybody is so enthusiastic for this assembly.
His name is Sun, which kills darkness and bring light to the mankind. Just like our mathematician Aryabhatta. Let's welcome our next performer Aditya Gupta from 3rd B.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. I am Aditya Gupta of class 3rd A. Today I would like to speak about Aryabhatta. I am Aryabhatta and I am the first mathematician and astronomer of India. I born in 475 AD.
Much Aditya Gupta. Okay. Her name means water, which is important for her life. Just like calculator for maths. Let's welcome our next performer Jivka Vich as human calculator Neelkhand Bhanu.
Good morning everyone, I'm Jivika Vich as Neelakant Bhanu Prakash, the latest human calculator. 13th of October 1999, Hyderabad, and is a human calculator from India. He titled as world's fastest human calculator as he beat the record of late Shakuntala Devi. He won gold in 2020 World Mental Calculation at Mind Sports Olympiad. He also holds 50 Limca Books record for his mathematical calculation and become India Youth Icon 2020. He is a founder of Exploring Weekend Nights, a math education to start from that on its way to eradicate maths phobia globally. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Someone who is full of knowledge is known by this word. Daring is another meaning of his name. Let's welcome Jayansh as Srinivasa Ramanujan himself. Here you go.
Okay.
Hi everyone, my name is Jayansh Nagar. I am Srinivas Ramanujan. I was born on 22nd December 1887. This day is celebrated as International Mathematics Day. I am popularly known as greatest mathematician in the world for the great. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Jayansh. That was lovely. Okay. She is soft, calm, and polite, just like her name. Let's welcome our next performer, starred as Shakuntala Devi.
Yes, yes.
कोई बात नहीं. Yashika, which means success. Let's welcome our last performer of the day, Yashika as Shakuntala Devi.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Yashika. I am 8 years old. Can you speak 5 lines of Shakuntala Devi? Shakuntala Devi is an Indian mathematician, writer and mental calculator. She popularly known as human computer.
Thank you, Yashika. That was brilliant. She is soft and calm and polite. Just like her name, let's welcome our next performer, Samya as Shakuntala Devi. Here you go.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am dressed as a great human calculator, Shakuntala Devi. She was a great mathematician, writer, and mental calculator. She born on 4th November 1929 in Bangalore. She was a precious child and she demonstrated her abilities.
Thank you so much. This is the last leg of the assembly and of our wonderful National Maths Day. So I hope everybody has enjoyed the celebrations, and now I would like Jasmine to again come up and thank all the students who have participated in the artwork. But before that, I would like to thank all the children who have participated in the character roles. That would be Prayan and Hazel from 3C, Aditya Gupta from 3A, Jivika Viz, Diana Nair, Soumya Gupta, and Yashika from 3B. So all the parents and the students have put in a lot of effort. And before this ending, I would just like to say that maths in itself is a creation, a life. And more importantly, I would like to just add 1 or 2 lines from my own experience, that why I like maths is that it helps me in solving everything. It helps me in solving the theories that we are supposed to learn in science. It helps me in memorizing the years in social, because a lot of years are there in social. So it helps me in every walk of life. When I when I bake a cake for my son, then I have to think of the measurements. So maths is all around. It's even in how a plant grows, how many days it takes, how many milliliter or liter of water that it requires. Then I think now you can go ahead and thank all the wonderful children who have done the artwork in National Maths Day today in this activity. So let's start. Yes.
Sure, I'm doing it. I hope you all like these lovely acts by our little mathematicians. Thank you, Kshitija Verma, Rajiv Singh, Ayushi Yadav, Maulik Sehdev, Aditya Sharma, Jazz Khanna. And thank you so much, Chinky Ishpreet, Lakshya Sharma, Lakshya Arora, Tanveer Singh, Kshitija Verma once again. And thank you ever so much, Diya Talwar, Nitya Goyal, Ritika Arora, Yadvi Sharma, Aradhya Gupta, Shivyan Singh, Ritika Arora, Arad Goyal, Ajay Singh, and Nivedita. Thank you so much. Madhav Chawla, Lakshya Arora, Sudhar Chopra, Arad Goyal, Tanveer Singh.
So true, Jyotsna ma'am. I think Jasmine has coordinated the entire show so wonderfully, and
Thanks to my Viniva